This is a video chart presentation of Hutchinson Technologies. Hutchinson trades on the NASDAQ exchange under the ticker HTCH. It's really a polar opposite of our Canadian stock to watch for today. That was a true bottom play sitting on a support level. This is a stock that over the last 6 months has developed a very nice uptrend. Looks like it potentially could be making a cup and handle continuation pattern. Nice little rounded bottom that's been formed. Stock made new support level right around $2.60. Resistance is established just over top of $3. Now what I'll be looking for is for this pattern to play itself out. Go up here and test this resistance. And for starters, look for it to try and break right through it. But if it consolidates and forms a little handle, then I'll be looking for the breakout. Now the MACD is dropping a bullish cross. And importantly, holding over top of zero. That's something that I always look for in a bullish trend. Retracements are going to happen. They're not a big deal. But what I don't want to see is for the trend to get too bearish. And for the MACD to hold over top of zero while the stock's consolidating is a positive sign. So now what I'd look for is for a stronger move. Put some distance between the EMAs and zero. And push this into an uptrend and look for it to make a new higher high and continue a long-term channel in the MACD. Full still up near 90. A little bit of a hook coming back down right now. Again, I don't worry about that. Holding over top of 50 is what I want to see. Helps support the idea that momentum is being retained in the play. Money flow index, it is certainly retraced. Now back on an upward path, just pushed back through 50. That's what I want to see. That means people are paying higher prices for the stock over the average 14-day period. It's also broken through this downtrend. Again, given further signs, this chart's going to try and reverse course after the consolidation. The RSI 14, registering at 57. And followers of our videos know that I want to see that RSI, even on any retrace, hold over top of that 50 mark. It shows sustained bullish momentum in the chart. You can see basically now for the last few months, the RSI has held that mark, and the stock has continued to uptrend. Now, as I touched on at the beginning of the video, nice little cup and handle pattern looks like could be forming. I'd look for this bottom support right around $2.60 to stay intact. I will say ideally it won't even come back down to those levels. It does pick up another support right in through that area where it broke through a short-term resistance. Ideally it would hold that point, but if it does pull back, the idea of a cup and handle kind of falls apart. It's really just making a double bottom type of pattern. But point being, those are the two support levels I'd look for in the short term. As far as resistance, I think it's pretty clear right there around $3.10 where it couldn't push through that point on 3 different attempts. That'll be the key resistance point I'll be looking for on the breakout. And if it makes that move, you can see there's no resistance in sight. And the stock should have a nice upside potential on a breakout of that resistance, especially if you see a surge in volume. If that happens, regardless of where it meets resistance again, if it wants to pull back, I'd be looking for that resistance point to now serve as a support level for the chart to continue its upward path, making higher highs and higher lows. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the HTCH chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.